Now, if you have a relative or friend that you have not seen in many years and you bump into them, you would simply greet them by saying, "Long time no see." Now, in today's quick lesson, I will teach you the meaning of two English phrases and give you some example sentences that you can use to practice speaking English. Now, the first one, "long time no see," is a phrase that can be used in a formal or informal setting, so don't be afraid to use it. It's another way to simply say that you're happy to see someone after a long period of time apart. So for instance, you might say to a high school classmate you haven't seen in 10 to 15 years, "Long time no see. What have you been up to?" Or if you're madly in love with someone and you have not seen them in 12 long hours, you would say, "Long time no see. I really, really miss you." So remember, "long time no see" is a phrase that means it has been a while since you have seen someone. Now, the next phrase that I want to talk about and teach you about is called "behind the times." Okay? Now, when someone is behind the times, it says that they're old-fashioned or outdated. You might say to someone, "Your phone is behind the times because there is no way to connect to the internet." Or another example, you might say to someone, "You need a newer car because the one from that you have that is from 1988, it doesn't have a backup camera, a Bluetooth, or the ability for me to use my aux cables. It is so behind the times." So make sure you practice using these two English phrases, "behind the times" and "long time no see." My name is Jay, and I have plenty of videos on YouTube to help you understand and speak better English. All you need to do is search Jay's Learning School on YouTube, or just use the links that are in the description of this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time.